Hi, my name is Anjelina. Welcome to this journey through humanities. Today we're going to explore the exciting topic of Make in India, Part 1. This isn't just about factories or businesses. This is about how India is shaping its place in the world. We'll look at how government policies, innovation, job creation, and youth participation come together to build a strong and self-reliant India. Whether you're curious about the future of work, how countries grow, or how your own role fits into all this session is for you. This session is part of the course Citizenship, Culture, and Global Connections. It helps us understand how government actions affect everyday people. The Make in India campaign is one such example. It shows how policy can impact jobs, technology, and national pride. Through this, you'll also understand your role as a citizen in shaping the nation. What sparked the Make in India campaign? India launched Make in India in 2014 to respond to slow industrial growth and rising unemployment. After years of depending on services and imports, it was time to boost manufacturing. Inspired by global models, the Indian government acted to build local strength. The goal was to attract investors, grow factories, and generate opportunities. This was the start of a new vision for India. Launched by the government, key objectives. The campaign had 3 key goals: to increase the manufacturing share in our economy, attract foreign investors, and create large-scale employment. The government focused on 25 industries where India could grow rapidly. These included cars, textiles, electronics, and more. Policies were made simpler and faster to help businesses succeed. It showed the world that India was serious about becoming a global manufacturing hub. Core sectors and target industries. India selected core sectors that had high potential for success. Defense, aerospace, and automotive industries were prioritized because they could create jobs and reduce imports. Traditional sectors like textiles were also included to boost exports. Each chosen sector received special focus and support. This focused approach made it easier to track progress and make real change. India's industrial history before Make in India. Before this campaign, India's industry was stuck in outdated systems. From independence until the 1990s, heavy government control made growth difficult. Even after liberalization in 1991, services grew faster than factories. Problems like poor infrastructure, red tape, and low investment held us back. Make in India was a bold step to overcome these hurdles. Policy reforms and government support measures. To make India more business-friendly, several reforms were introduced. Foreign direct investment rules were relaxed in sectors like defense and railways. A digital approach was used to simplify approvals and licensing. The government also promoted small and medium enterprises through credit schemes. These changes made it easier for businesses to grow and succeed. Strategies for economic revitalization. The campaign used cluster-based development, groups of industries sharing facilities to lower costs. Each sector received tailored support to match its unique needs. Policies worked in partnership with Digital India to improve factory automation and management. These steps helped India improve quality and become globally competitive. Together, they revitalized our manufacturing landscape. Globalization and India's economic position. India is part of the global economy, but we import many essential goods. This became a problem during crises like COVID-19 when supply chains broke. The lesson was clear: we needed to make more things at home. Make in India isn't about closing off from the world, it's about becoming stronger and more self-reliant. The idea is to support local production while staying globally connected. Strengthening local manufacturing versus import dependence. The campaign focused on replacing imported goods with Indian-made ones. Localizing supply chains helped reduce costs and create jobs. The government gave incentives for domestic sourcing and production. The aim was also to raise the quality of Indian goods so they can compete globally. This is about building both confidence and capability in Indian industries. Case study: electronics and automotive sectors. India's success in electronics and automotive industries proves the campaign's impact. We are now the second largest mobile phone manufacturer in the world. Our cars and auto parts are exported globally. This happened thanks to clear policies and government incentives. These sectors became global success stories for Make in India. Employment growth through Make in India. Millions of jobs were created directly in factories and indirectly in logistics, IT, and services. People from rural and urban areas found new opportunities. Women and young people especially benefited from new jobs. This employment boom also helped boost local economies. Make in India became a true engine of job creation. Skill India Mission, a twin strategy. To match jobs with skills, the government launched Skill India. It trained youth in areas like coding, welding, and electronics. The National Skill Development Corporation ensured quality and certification. Special attention was given to rural youth, women, and school dropouts. This helped turn raw talent into workplace-ready professionals. Major infrastructure projects supporting the campaign. Infrastructure development supported industrial growth. Smart cities with advanced planning attracted new companies. Industrial corridors like Delhi-Mumbai boosted transportation and logistics. Ports and railway upgrades made goods move faster and cheaper. These improvements created a strong base for sustainable development. China's manufacturing strategy, key learnings. China became a global factory through large-scale planning and export-focused growth. It developed special zones and built massive infrastructure. India learned from China's success, but takes a more inclusive and democratic path. Our growth model includes people from all walks of life. It focuses on balance, quality, and fairness. South Korea's industrial rise, policy parallels. South Korea supported large companies like Samsung and Hyundai to lead exports. It invested in science and research to stay ahead. India can learn from this smart coordination of business and government. We too can become a leader in high-value industries. With the right strategies, we can achieve similar success. Differences in scale, policy, and outcomes. China works on a massive scale. Korea focuses on precision, and India blends both. Our democratic system allows for inclusive, people-first policies. While our growth may be slower, it reaches more people. India's model values employment and fairness, alongside innovation. Each country's path is different, and ours reflects our values. Youth and innovation, driving new enterprises. India has the world's largest youth population. Young minds are launching startups, apps, and new products. They're blending AI and automation with manufacturing. Innovation is now part of our national identity. Youth are the real builders of a new India. Startup India and Tech Incubators. To support innovation, the Startup India program was launched. It helps young entrepreneurs with funding, mentorship, and office space. Incubators across the country support different sectors like health, finance, and agriculture. These startups bring fresh ideas and energy. They are the heart of India's future economy. Vision 2047, a future of opportunities. India's 100th year of independence in 2047 is our target for becoming a developed nation. Make in India supports this dream through jobs, innovation, and growth. Youth will play the most important role in this transformation. Emerging technologies like AI and green energy will lead the way. The future is bright, and it belongs to you. What have we learned and why it matters? We've seen how Make in India links economy, culture, and citizenship. It's about building strength from within while connecting with the world. It gives people jobs, skills, and pride. As a student and citizen, you're part of this journey. You're not just learning about India's future, you're helping shape it.